Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So about 3 weeks ago, Microsoft added improvements to animate content in PowerPoint for the web. And it seems now that Microsoft is rolling out another new feature to PowerPoint for the web, which they seem to be giving quite a lot of attention over the last couple of weeks. Now, I'll leave that previous video in the end screen. But just to let you know that the new and latest addition now to PowerPoint Online is you are now able to trim video in PowerPoint for the web. Now, Microsoft says, obviously, this means you can edit the videos you've inserted into your presentation, and you can trim videos using frame or timestamp level accuracy. And to make this whole process easier, Microsoft say they've added a dedicated video tab in the ribbon that's found at the top of your presentation, as many of you may well know. So how this is all going to work, and just to cut to the chase using a couple of images provided by Microsoft from that announcement, which will give us a good idea. Obviously, you open an existing presentation or create a new one, and then insert a video. And then to begin trimming, you select the video, and then either select video, trim video, as we can see here on the left, on the new video tab, or on the right, you can right-click the video and select Trim Video. And then moving on to the next step, how this all works is you can also, Microsoft says, to trim a video, you drag and slide the end markers to set the start and end point for trimmed video segments marked by colored frames. And this is very similar to a lot of editing programs, how this all works. So a lot of you may be familiar with this whole setup. And then moving on to the next, once you've done that, to preview the trimmed video, you just click the play button, as we can see, and then when you're done, you click the trim button to apply the trim selections according to Microsoft. Now, over and above those main steps, Microsoft has also given us some additional things you can also do. And some other tips and tricks is that you can use a mouse cursor or your keyboard shortcuts, they say, to set the trim start and end points within the video frame timeline, as we can see. And this just gives us a good idea as more or less how to do that. And then moving on to the last image provided, and the last kind of tip and trick is that Microsoft also mentions that, as you can see, you can play, pause, and seek bar timestamps to preview while you iterate. And additionally, you can use the forward and backward buttons for playback and forward, as we can see. So a nice little improvement there. And this is all, this feature is rolling out to all PowerPoint for the web users, the trim video feature. So if you are using PowerPoint for the web, this may be a nice move in the right direction. And it's going to be interesting to see what other feature Microsoft brings to PowerPoint Online in the future, because as mentioned, they are giving this a bit of attention and just keeping you guys posted in case you use the platform. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.